Knoxville Civic Auditorium-Coliseum plans to add metal detectors. Leaders made that announcement on the Coliseum's Facebook page earlier today. The post says the metal detectors will enhance the safety of performers, attendees, and staff. The Coliseum is also asking people to minimize the number of items they carry inside to reduce security screening time. The detectors will be in place for all public events starting January 25th. We are nearing the end of day 32 of the federal government